So this is our living space, where right over here you can set up your couch. So this is a L-shaped granite kitchen. This is our master bedroom, where here you can set up your bed. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey, and today in this video we'll be doing a sample flat tour of Anika Piccadilly, which is located near Rasikwadi, Punavle, Pune, and is developed by Arun Seth and Company. So as you can see, I'm at the actual location, and right behind me the sales office. और सेल्स ऑफिस के सामने आपको मिल जाता है कुडले स्काई वन रोड, जो लेफ्ट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करता है ताज नेवास्ती और राइट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करता है मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे. Before we go ahead with the sample flat, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike any other current listing platform where your number is shared with number of brokers, Housey is different. Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you transparent pricing, genuine information, and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your dream home today through Housey. This project will be constructed on 7 acres of land parcel, 6 towers with ground plus 4 podium plus 21 floors, having 2 BHK premium residencies. So as you can see, I'm at the actual location of this project, and right behind me is the sales office. This project is located near रसिकवाड़ी, पुनावले, पुणे. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है जूडियो 2.3 किलोमीटर, सिम्बोसिस कॉलेज 3.7 किलोमीटर and Indira College 3.9 kilometer. This project has 40 plus luxurious amenities with the like of swimming pool, gymnasium, clubhouse, kids play area, multi-purpose court and many more. So as you can see, I'm standing at the entrance of a 2 BHK sample flat which has 812 square feet carpet area. So this is the main entrance, and right at the main entrance you get a video door phone and a digital door lock for security purpose. So this is the entrance lobby, and right at the entrance lobby you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now let's check out the living space. So this is our living space, where right over here you can set up your couch, and right over here you can set up your TV unit. You also get a window attached to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose, and you also get a balcony attached to it which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and 3-side cover. Now let me show you the dining space. So this is our dining space, where you can set up your dining table and have lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let's check out the kitchen space. So this is a L-shaped granite kitchen, where you also get a sink attached to it, and right over here you also get a dry balcony where you can set up your washing machine and other utilities. Now let's check out our first bedroom. So this is our first bedroom, where here you can set up your bed, and here you can set up your study unit. You also get an attached window to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose. Now let's check out the master bedroom. But before I show you the master bedroom, let me tell you what does Housey provides you. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schemes, and 360-degree location tour, all under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. So now let's check out the master bedroom. Before I show you the master bedroom, you also get a common washroom over here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings and designer vitrified tiles. And also you get a common sink over here. So before entering the master bedroom, you also get a master washroom over here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings and designer vitrified tiles. So this is our master bedroom, where here you can set up your bed and here you can set up your TV. And you also get an attached window to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose. And you can set up your wardrobe over here. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of Anika Piccadilly, which is located near Rasikvadi, Punavle, Pune, and is developed by Arun Seth and Company. For more information about this project, click on the below link to download price sheet and e-brochure, and also like, share and subscribe House's YouTube channel.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.